Welcome to a Hosen Tech Zone. The Milky Way galaxy, our cosmic home. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the vast ocean of stars stretching across the darkness? That's the Milky Way, a gateway to understanding our place in the universe. But what secrets does it hold? Today, we'll take an unforgettable journey into the heart of our galaxy, exploring its history, mysteries, and our connection to it. Segment 1. What is the Milky Way? Our Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, one of over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Spanning 100,000 to 200,000 light-years, it is a colossal system that holds around 400 billion stars, countless exoplanets, and a mysterious dark matter halo. Yet, it's just one among the countless galaxies scattered throughout the cosmos. What makes the Milky Way truly special is that it's home, our celestial neighborhood within the vastness of space. Fun fact, did you know that the Milky Way contains over 40 billion Earth-like planets in its habitable zones? Among these, could there be other forms of life waiting to be discovered? Segment 2, A Journey Through History. For millennia, humans gazed at the Milky Way in wonder. Ancient cultures saw it as divine, a pathway of light formed by spilled milk, celestial fires, or even the dust of divine footsteps. The Greeks called it Galaxias Kyklos, meaning the Milky Circle. In 1610, Galileo Galilei, armed with his telescope, discovered that the hazy band of light was made of countless individual stars. This changed our understanding forever. Fast forward to the 1920s, Edwin Hubble expanded our perspective by proving the Milky Way is just one galaxy among many, a revelation that revolutionized astronomy. Segment 3, The Structure of the Milky Way. At the heart of the Milky Way lies Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole with a mass of about 4 million suns. Surrounding it is the bulge, a dense region of old stars, while further out, the galaxy's spiral arms are teeming with young stars and nebulae. These arms, like the Perseus and Sagittarius arms, cradle regions of active star formation. Our galaxy also contains a mysterious element, a vast halo of dark matter, which makes up about 90% of its mass. Though invisible, it exerts a gravitational influence that binds the galaxy together. And orbiting this halo are globular clusters, ancient star systems that are nearly as old as the universe itself. Segment 4, Star Birth and Death. The Milky Way is a cradle of stellar life. Stars are born in nebulae, colossal clouds of gas and dust where gravity works its magic. Over millions of years, these stars evolve, some shining quietly, others ending their lives in spectacular supernova explosions. These supernovae release elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, seeding the galaxy with the building blocks of planets, life, and new stars. Remarkably, even in death, stars contribute to the cycle of life, reminding us that the universe is in constant motion. Segment 5, Our Solar System's Place in the Galaxy. Our solar system is located within the Orion Arm, a relatively quiet neighborhood compared to the bustling galactic core. Situated about 27,000 light-years from Sagittarius A*, this location provides a stable environment for life to thrive on Earth. The Sun, our life-giving star, orbits the center of the galaxy at a speed of 828,000 kilometers per hour, yet, it takes 230 million years to complete just one galactic year. Segment 6, Milky Way Mysteries and Facts. Despite centuries of study, the Milky Way still hides many secrets. For instance, scientists believe there are billions of rogue planets drifting through interstellar space, untethered to any star. In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with the Andromeda Galaxy, forming a new supergalaxy. And here's a mind-boggling thought. Our galaxy is just a small part of the Laniakea supercluster, a vast web of galaxies interconnected by gravity. The Milky Way is a living testament to the beauty and mystery of the universe. It reminds us of our small but significant place in this vast cosmic tapestry. As we continue to explore its wonders, we are reminded that the journey to understanding our galaxy is also a journey to understanding ourselves. Outro music and call to action. If this video sparked your curiosity, be sure to like, subscribe, and join me for more adventures into the cosmos.